How about kids? Do kids have the same level of magnitude of impact before getting a concussion injury? Do they get concussed with the same forces? Now, there's not a ton of research on this, but just last month, November 2019, there was a study that came out published by Campolitano. Campolitano and colleagues published a study in the Annals of Biomedical Engineering, and they looked at kids aged 9 to 14 years old. Now, there was only 15 concussions included, so it's still a very, very small sample size. But what they did find is that the average linear acceleration was only 62 Gs. So remember, the average acceleration to cause concussion in a high school or college age athlete was 98 Gs. In 9 to 14-year-olds, what they found was the average magnitude was 62 Gs. And the range was actually between 35 and 95. So younger kids may be getting concussed with less force. But this is an early preliminary study, so we don't actually know. We need just more research in this area. And actually, we're including this study in this month's Concussion Chronicles. So for those that don't know, Concussion Chronicles is something you can sign up for. We go through all the research every single month. We take the top 3 studies that are done every single month, and we summarize them and synthesize them, and we send them right to your inbox. So if you want a copy of that, we're releasing this one on Wednesday, along with 2 other studies that are included. If you haven't signed up yet for Concussion Chronicles, you can do so by going to CompleteConcussions.com/resources. You click on the resources tab and you scroll down to Concussion Chronicles and sign up there. And then every single month, it's usually the second Wednesday of every month, you get the latest concussion research delivered right to your inbox.